What up? This is Combo representing WeBreak, and today we're going to teach you how to do the 4-point turn. So first, what you're going to do, you're going to go to 0 position. Every time you do any footwork move, make sure you start in 0 position. And here we go. So first, you're going to bring one hand down and bring your leg out. Whenever I bring my hand down and my leg out, it's the same hand, same leg. So left hand, left leg. Whenever I do this, I'm always going to go to my left side. So starting step 1, step 2, step 3, and we end with a hook, step 4. So now when I go back, I have my right hand, right leg, step 1, spin, step 2, go down step 3, and we end with a hook, step 4. And that is 4-point turn. Watch it in action. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the 4-point turn.